Diwali, one of the biggest festivals of our land that every Indian celebrates it with joy. It is a festival of lights, decorations, sweets, gifts, and crackers. I have got you some easy DIY Diwali decoration ideas to jazz up your home this Diwali with things that are easily accessible or which you have already at home. For the first idea, take a cardboard piece and draw a shape of a leaf and cut it. You'll need two pieces like this. Now glue them together with white glue and super glue or Fevikwik. Now take small pieces of paper tape and seal the edges like so. Take two small semicircle shaped cardboard and repeat the same. Now start painting the cardboard with the color you desire. I gave a coat of a gesso before I colored them. I'm using a bright yellow color because I feel that yellow color is a perfect festival color. Draw any design and paint it. I also gave a border with black paint which enhanced the whole look. Also adding some small round mirrors. Now take any wire and shape it to form a loop like this and stick it on top of the cardboard with super glue or Fevikwik. Take the semicircle cardboard and stick it like so. Do not worry, this super glue is really strong. This is the finished product. I made another one like this. An easy, beautiful wall mount tea light holder to jazz up your beautiful corner of your home. The addition of mirrors reflected more light, which was a beautiful sight. Moving to the second DIY, you'll need a coconut shell. Scrape the thin layer of the husk on it. It took about 5 minutes to scrape it off. Now take a sandpaper and smoothen the edges and surface of the shell. Next, I'm using Mod Podge on the inner part of the shell. You can also choose to paint it with colors. Then take a bottle cap and stick it on the bottom of the shell to make the shell stand. I made another one in which I have not used bottle cap. I made the bottom of the shell as flat as possible. I'll show you that in a bit. I'm using a super glue to fix it. I have provided the purchase link in the description. Now paint the shell with the color you desire. Just making some simple pattern with white color and metallic color. After painting, I gave a coat of Mod Podge for the gloss finish. Next, take a candle and cut it in small pieces. I used about 1.5 candle for this DIY. Also, while cutting the candle, save a small piece of wick. With the help of the double boiler method, melt the candle pieces. It will take about few minutes. Add few drops of essential oil. This is optional. Now pour the melted wax in the shell while holding the wick at the center. To keep the wick in place, I used a cloth clip and a skewer. Let it cool for some time. This is how the coconut shell candle turned out. This is another one I made without a cap at the bottom. So let's light up and see. Such a gorgeous and an organic candle it is to embellish your home for any occasion. For the third DIY, you'll need an air dry clay. Take a medium ball sized clay and knead it well. Wet your palm with water and knead it to soften the clay. Now take a rolling pin or a bottle like this and flatten the clay. So you'll need something of this size. Take a ruler, a knife and cut the sides to get a rectangle shape. Now with the help of a pen cap, make holes on the flat clay. To make small holes, take a ball pen refill. With the help of a skewer, correct the imperfections. Now take a cylindrical shaped container and apply Vaseline or oil on it. Make sure the container is a smooth cylindrical shape. Unlike mine, my container had two mounts which made it difficult to remove the clay later. Wrap the clay on the container and seal the ends properly. Clean out the edges and leave it to dry for 6 hours or overnight. So this is how it looks after drying. It is normal for an air dry clay to crack on drying. You can always fix it with water and a little bit of clay. This took another 45 to 1 hour to dry, and then I applied a coat of Mod Podge for a gloss finish to the DIY. Now light up a candle. Place the homemade DIY lantern. You can of course go ahead and paint it if you want. I like the organic look it gave to my corner. So this is how it looks in complete darkness. The beam of lights through the hole looks so beautiful. These were some easy Diwali decoration ideas. I hope to make another one, so stay tuned, and you can also check out my other videos on DIYs and junk journaling. Bye.